Hey, what's up, DIYers? Mike Borders, the founder and CEO of Toolbox Token, aka the DIY Token. Hey, a special and exciting announcement. We have officially created a charity wallet for the Toolbox Token ecosystem, aka, again, the DIY Token. Let's get on the computer and take a look. All right, DIYers, here we are on the computer. We are at toolboxtoken.com. This is our very own ecosystem website, and we put a lot of work into this, and we are very excited about this. As you can see here, connect your wallet, and you can start participating in our ecosystem. Right here, you can see as simple as grabbing your toolbox and buy on UniSwap. By selecting that icon, it will take you directly to our UniSwap liquidity pool on the UniSwap platform. And scrolling above right now is a video link that we show you a full tutorial on what that looks like. So definitely check that out. As I scroll down, I want to point this out. Every single one of us has a little DIY in our blood. And that is our excitement and passion behind this entire Toolbox crypto ecosystem project. And I want to continue scrolling down. Here are our three tokens. Toolbox, aka DIY, being the foundational token. And to the right of that is our membership token, Ratchet. And to the left of that is our socket token. That's our governance token, which is why we are here. This, again, is the token that will be used as the DAO governance token for the Toolbox ecosystem. With Socket, you can vote on what the charity wallet will fund, and the Socket itself will be coming soon. However, we have officially created our charity wallet. And I will scroll all the way down right here to the roadmap and cover this real quick. Phase 1 is complete, and that consisted of our token launch, as well as our pre-sale event, and a very important step, the Etherscan contract verification. And after we completed those Phase 1 items, we continued on to Phase 2, where we listed the DIY, aka Toolbox token, on a decentralized exchange, as well as created the charity wallet. And below that, you can see Phase 3 and Phase 4. We are at the moment working really hard on Phase 3 and having a lot of fun doing that. I'm going to scroll down. Here it is. Donate to the charity wallet. Support our cause and passion for the DIY community. All funds donated will go to a charity chosen by the DIY DAO. By coming over to this portion right here, you can click and you can copy it as you see there. So again, we're excited about the charity wallet and what it will allow the socket holders to do. As I scroll back up again to the socket token, it being our governance token, you will officially hold voting rights to that charity and be able to vote on which charity you want those funds to go to. Again, just by being a socket holder. And that's all I want to cover in this video. From here, do us a favor, below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching. And again, if you have not checked out the UniSwap liquidity pool, all you have to do is click here, buy on UniSwap. It'll take you right there. Thanks again.